Welcome to Money Machine. My name is Oriola Jumo, and today I'll be showing you how to buy your stuffs and gadgets and other things you want to buy from Amazon without debit or credit card at a very cheaper rate. The reason for this video is the fact that I have discovered that several countries have stopped or limited their debit or credit card for international transactions. And this has caused some people who want to buy things from other countries to be unable to buy the stuffs they want to buy. What can be done? You need to have an Amazon account and an ATM account. Because of this scarcity or the limitations on the debit and credit card, some other digital platform has taken the occasion to, exploit people because they have discovered that if you want to buy from Amazon without a debit or credit card, and then you have a PayPal limitations in your state or country, and because of PayPal other issues, you will need an Amazon gift card. So they have gone to get this Amazon gift card and they sell it to other people at a very high rate. For instance, Kuda now sells its gift card Amazon dollars for 836 naira. Can you imagine? That's a very high side. Meanwhile, in Nigeria, the rate is actually between 750 to 780 naira. They have gone on the high side to sell at 836 naira. Now, here is the full gist. You're going to get this Amazon dollars at 625 naira. You're going to get it at 625 naira without limitations of any kind. Here is the gist. What you need to do is to have an Amazon account and you have an ATM account, as I have aforementioned. Now, when you go to your Amazon account, you see a place for gift cards just right up, and then you click on gift card. You see redeem your gift card. You click on redeem your gift card. Then you put the codes. Okay, then the value of that gift card will be added to your gift card balance. And note, your gift card balance, if your gift card balance is $1, it is the same $1 that it was. Okay, it's not, it doesn't have a different measure, it's same $1. Okay, so when you want to buy something, you can use it is equivalent to $1, or $100 is equivalent to $100. So when you want to get stuff from Amazon, you don't need to bother about the measures. You just need to get this gift card, load them into your card, and get whatsoever you want to get. And when you are checking out, you select the gift card balance to pay for those goods, and you get them shipped within the appropriate time. And then Amazon has a good return policy, that will allow you return those goods within some days if they do not fit or they do not match the specifications of the things you ordered online. Let's go back to how to get these dollars at 625 naira. Now, you have to set up an ATM account. The link to set up an ATM account is below, and a video, I have made a video on how to set up an ATM account also below. I'll put the link below so that you can get it. So after you've set up an ATM account, you have to get the AUSD, which is equivalent to $1. You get it by adding. You go to add, then you select Nigeria or your country's local bank payment method, fill in your details, and then you see the amount you want to send. For instance, let's use 50,000 naira. As at my calculation, when you want to buy at 50,000 naira, you have 63 point something dollars. Okay, 63 point something dollars. When you get 63 point something dollars for 50,000 naira. Meanwhile, on Kuda, you have only $60 Amazon card. Now, when you have 63 AUSD, you're going to look at the peer request. Before looking at the peer request, go to your payment method, activate the Amazon gift card payment method, activate it, the USD, activate it so that you can see peer request requesting to add AUSD to their account and give gift cards in return. Okay, now when you get to your peer request, you are going to see request for Amazon gift card so that they can get AUSD. And then you accept this request. When you accept this request, they are going to send you this gift card and you have to load it to your Amazon card just the way I have showed you earlier. When you see those requests, you make sure they give you the cards. When you load those cards, make sure the cards are complete. Then when they are complete, you come back to confirm that person that you have received those gift cards and the gift cards were valid, and the person will get the AUSD and you get your Amazon gift card loaded. Then you use this Amazon gift card that has been loaded into your account to purchase whatsoever gadget you want to get. Meanwhile, in the process of getting this Amazon gift card, you're going to see that your 63 AUSD will be able to afford you $80 Amazon USD, which is $20 difference from the cooler price. I'm only sharing this so that you also can enjoy the benefit of buying things online without a credit and debit card in this situation where we all find ourselves in Nigeria or other parts of the world. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions regarding ATM, your Amazon account, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you. See you some other time.